afternoon. Thank you for joining us today. Today we're live with South Asian Outlook on the grounds of the annual Toronto City Hall Cricket Festival. As you can see behind us, that today is a fun-filled day with a lot of cricket activities and food, and a lot of people witnessing cricket today. We're going to be interviewing distinguished guests today on the program, and we're going to have a great time today. Right here!
You guys are too close.
Shot! Go! Right! No! Sophia, throw hard! Sophia, throw hard! Very good spot.
After this Clive, it's a right-hander batsman.
He's just going to start
Here.
Hi, my name is Beam Asthir, and I'm the sponsor of cricket event today, and we're very proud to be here supporting cricket in Canada. Cricket is a wonderful game. When I was a young boy, I used to play cricket in my backyard. And when I see cricket played here in Canada, it brings back those wonderful memories. We are sponsoring so that cricket can go further in Canada. As you know, cricket is a game that's gaining a lot of ground in Canada, and it's gaining momentum in Canada. More and more people are playing cricket. There are more than 50 games that are played in Toronto every weekend, and we like to continue to make sure that we are sponsoring cricket in Canada at the ground level. We are sponsoring the Mayor's Cup. We also sponsor the Indo-Canada Chamber of Commerce event. But we have to make time. We have to take time to support our kids and to promote cricket in Canada. My daughter is in the cricket game. Come here, Meena. How are you? This is my daughter, and she loves cricket. Who is your favorite player besides your dad?
Sachin Tendulkar.
There you go.
Have you ever seen him playing cricket, your dad?
Yes, yesterday I watched his match.
That was the first time you watched him in all these years?
No, I watched him before too, but this is recently, just recently.
Okay, do you look at these, when you look at those players, do you want to be like one of them in the women's team as they call it, as you grow up?
I prefer watching it more.
Than playing?
Yes.
Okay, good luck. Thank you, Beam.
That's my daughter. All right, Meena, good job. Oh, there's my other daughter. That's my other daughter, Natasha. Come here. Thanks for the coffee. Here's my other daughter, Natasha. Hold the ball. She loves cricket, baseball. What else do you love? She doesn't love cricket. Do you like watching? Do you like watching the game? No? Why are you here? For the food? Yeah, she just wants to be here with me. Excel Funds is a niche mutual fund company, and we specialize in emerging markets. We have one of the best portfolio managers in India and in China on the ground, and that's why our funds are doing extremely well. I hope you look at them, and if you need more information, visit excelfunds.com or call our office at 1-888-913-8913. Thank you.
Welcome you to this cricket festival. So you saw the last part of it. How did you enjoy it?
Well, the food and the environment, the atmosphere was amazing. A lot of people were here, a lot of good fun, and I think there's a lot of excitement because I saw the young kids get their trophies, and I think that's what it's all about. It's about getting the youth involved, and it's about promoting the game of cricket.
And did you like the Mississauga Ramblers Cricket Cup?
I have a bit of a bias. As much as City of Toronto is the focal point, it was great to see Mississauga Ramblers win the trophy, and I fully support of any Mississauga team, and I wanted to make sure I made a point of saying that in my remarks.
You did?
Yes. Yeah.
So glad you're here. Hopefully we look forward to see you another time, and also the next cricket festival.
Absolutely. No, I think this is another successful event. A lot of sponsors, and I think that's what it's about. It shows that this game is becoming very popular, and when you have sponsors, it's usually a reflection of success. So I anticipate this will be successful for many years to come.
Thank you very much.
Thanks very much.
We look forward to see you again.
Thanks very much. Thanks.
So we are talking to Mr. Tim Woods. who is the president of the Toronto City Hall Cricket Club. So this is almost the end of the third year of the Cricket Club Festival. So what are your comments and how do you like it?
Well, we were so lucky today with the weather. Yesterday we had a round robin. It was rained out halfway through when the rain came in the afternoon, and we ended up sharing the trophy. But today it was perfect. The facilities, the number of people, terrific. It's expanding, and especially the involvement of the younger cricketers. The girls and the boys, we ended up joining the two teams together, so everybody had a crack. But that's where the future is. That to me meant it's growing. With those younger cricketers becoming involved and enjoying the game, nothing will stop us.
So do you think it's better than the last 2 years that we had the festival?
Tough for me to say because unfortunately last year I was in Europe, so I wasn't there. It was a very, very hot day. Today it's perfect. It was very well organized, but I think we may have had more people here. And I think bringing the girls into the youth part helped it as well. So again, it moved on.
Do you plan for a bigger one next year and so on?
That's a good question in that we are exploring. Let's use the word exploring because we have to contact other out of province or out of city teams who may be interested. They'd have to come on their own, at their own cost, if you like, to come and join. But I would like to expand it because, think about it for a moment, we have the Mayor's Trophy.
Right.
Thanks to David Miller and his understanding of the game and his support. But think about it now, if we suddenly had a tournament with the Mayor's Trophy being contested by a team from maybe Ottawa, Montreal, Hamilton, or others who would like to have their mayor saying it's my trophy. I don't know. Maybe
so
I'm
maybe
dreaming.
the mayor will also be there.
Yeah, but what we have to do is make a contact, say, are you interested? I'd like you to come on down, see what we do, and maybe in our preliminary game, have a couple of games and see how it works. But we don't know.
So I'm sure you're going to be, from tomorrow, planning for the next year's game.
You betcha. and I must say, in all honesty, I want to have it in June if I can, because last year was so hot in July.
It was, yeah.
And we thought it was going to be like that today, but we're lucky.
That's right.
Can I depend on it? I don't know. So if we go for June, we avoid conflict with holidays. Because so many people today, to be here today, either didn't go to the cottage or delayed their vacations.
That's right.
And the mayor, he had a commitment, and it was his vacation, his one day.
Couldn't make it.
He couldn't make it. So,
Thank you very much. Wish you all the best.
thank you.
And look forward to being connected with this club.
Guess what's
And here
just
comes
coming
the rain.
down?
One over. Are you counting the lines? Finish? Oh no. Yeah. So it shows someone. We didn't see any signal. He was very lean. That's biased. We didn't see any. No, but I'm scoring, so how can I say?
Hi, we're talking to Mr. Chris Krishnan, who's the past president of Indo-Canada Chamber of Commerce.
Yes.
And as you can see, he's here in 2007
All dressed and ready to go, yeah.
Cricket Festival,
Yes.
all dressed and go. He was already on the field.
Yes.
But because of the rain, he had to come back.
That's right.
Mr. Chris Krishnan, how long you have been involved in cricket?
Oh, I've been playing cricket for maybe all my life, and it's a passion coming from Kolkata, my birthplace and my city. And, we played cricket day in and day out. I remember days, get up at 7 in the morning and take a cricket bat and a ball in my pocket, and that's it, the whole day play cricket. I'm talking about not on the days when we are at school, but other days. Cricket is a way of life. It's a passion that it's just not a sport. You have your friends, family, community. It's unbelievable.
It's more of a picnic.
It's a game. Yeah, absolutely. I mean, watch cricket, play cricket, talk cricket, read cricket, now on TV, and so no wonder that the game is just such a huge thing in India.
Yeah. And even here with the ATM, they have started a different channel.
I think even over here you have all the ingredients, you have all the immigrants coming from those countries, and so I mean, you've already seen Canada in the World Cup, and I won't be surprised the next 10 years Canada will be a big force in the World Cup.
And maybe one of the team players today would be there.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, we have more of the veterans cricket here, but I'm impressed with a lot of the young people. Even Canada in the World Cup this year did very well. If you have seen the matches that Canada played against England and some of the more fancy teams, Canada put up a stiff fight. So for an amateur team, they're actually playing mostly against pro players. Players in England and India are pro players who get a lot of money paid to play the sport. But all of the players in Canada are amateur players. They are either students or have a day job and get to play the game, and so that's a lot of credit for them to try and even as an amateur to compete against professional teams is a lot of credit.
It's a great achievement.
Absolutely.
Looking at the banners that were here, Indo-Canada Chamber of Commerce
yes.
is sponsoring and also participating.
Yes, we have recognized that all our members value the sport very much. I mean, we have also sponsored golf tournaments, and that's something that has taken off for the last 10 years. We have done wonderfully well on that front as well. But the last 5 years, rather, this is the 6th year, and we see that all our members just love it. The first year we only had 2 teams, and as I mentioned to you, we are looking at 8 teams this year for the tournament in September. And so I think the participation is going to be great. We're going to have the wives and children and the whole family come out, and we're going to make sure that we arrange for a lot of entertainment activities for them. Invite some VIP cricketers who are retired in Canada. There are a lot of West Indian cricketers and people like that to come out and speak about the game. We might even do a film show the previous night, some good cricket matches, so that we bring back all the memories and give everybody a chance to have 2 days of fun.
It's going to be a big event.
It is, yeah.
And you have a date set for that?
I think they're looking at the first week of September for the King City Cricket Club. I know Sunil Jagasia, the current president, is talking to them. He's not confirmed to me yet, but I think he will be there. Yeah.
And what do you think is the future of cricket in Canada?
Yeah, as I said, that more and more people, more and more teams. It's a tremendously growing game. I was shocked to find out that the number of games that they play on league level here is unbelievable. They are playing 40 matches, 30 matches. It's a lot of cricket, and if you have a lot of cricket and a lot of participation, we saw the young people play today. The grassroots level people are coming in and participating in the game. So it's going to be better than what it is today.
There was a girls team also today.
There was a girls team as well. So I mean, women's cricket. If you go to the International Cricket Conference web, you will see it's taken off. It's again, Shanta Rangaswamy of India has scored 6 centuries in international cricket, and I have actually played with some of Diana Edelji from Bombay. She's a phenomenal left-arm spinner, and she can play for any of the men's team.
But Canada also has a women's cricket team.
Oh, okay.
Actually, 1939 is the first time.
Oh, yeah.
And as documented that they are.
Oh, really? Okay. No, that was something I was not aware of. But that'll be interesting to, if Canada can also put a women's cricket team.
Okay, so thanks a lot.
Thank you very much.
You're being called to play.
Yes.
All the best.
Thank you very much.
Let's finish it then, because we don't know how much time we have yet, because when the guys are finished eating, then we'll have the presentation here, is what I understand, right? So we'll just see what
somebody's going to fall down and we're going to be in trouble.
Yeah. What time do they give you for
Can you? No?
I cannot focus on this.
Well, it's out of.